Hi everyone, I'm Cheyenne from Mom and Me and Disney, and I just spent the morning at Magic Kingdom, and the express monorail was down, so I decided to take the resort monorail back to the TTC to get back to my car. But I made a pit stop here at Disney's Contemporary Resort, and I'm here to show you why. So if you didn't know, Disney actually has mobile order, and a lot of mobile order places are for quick service restaurants or Disney's fast food kind of service restaurants. But they also do have table service restaurants that are available for you. And one of those is here at Disney's Contemporary Resort, which is the first stop on the resort monorail, and then it goes to the TTC. So I came here to grab a table service restaurant meal from Steakhouse 71, and I am going to show you what I get and how it works. Alright, so I just got off the monorail and I went down the escalators, and I am now going to head over to Steakhouse 71, and I already placed my mobile order and push I'm here, prepare my order, and I'm now going to go wait by Steakhouse 71 until my meal is ready. Just like a normal quick service mobile order, you're going to go over there and wait for your meal to be ready. Now, if you have never used mobile order before for a quick service or for a table service restaurant, you're going to go to order food on the My Disney Experience app. You're going to choose the restaurant that you want to go to, and then the time window that you want to do, and if it's available to you, and then you're going to pick out what you want to eat, check out all your food, pay for it there, and then on the next screen, you're going to basically say I'm here, prepare my order. Now for table service restaurants, you want to really make sure that you are here, but realize you are going to wait that amount of time for that table service food to be ready, because they are still making it from scratch, so it is still going to be longer than a mobile order for a quick service restaurant. But I still think this is a great idea, because that means you don't have to make dining reservations, and sometimes you just want a quick nice meal on the whim. So for example, here at Disney's Contemporary Resort, I am going to go down to the lobby by Steakhouse 71, grab my food, and come back up here to this floor where there is no one here. And there is a bunch of seats here, so it gets you away from the hustle and bustle of Magic Kingdom, gets you away from the hustle and bustle of the upstairs floor and the downstairs floor of the lobby. And I was gonna say, it basically just is a nice, quiet, home style, but very good meal. So let's go get my food. I just saw that my mobile order is ready for pickup, so let's go down the next escalator and go to Steakhouse 71. Alright, I got my food. I'm going back up the escalator to the quiet part of the second floor of Disney's Contemporary Resort to eat my meal and show you what I got, because I'm really excited. I've never ate lunch at Steakhouse 71, so I'm very excited. Okay, so I got my meal. I have my spot. Got my silverware, my straw. Now, I ended up getting a kids meal, which is really nice because, again, it's cheaper, and I would not order a kids meal if I was sitting down at the restaurant. So I got 2 sides and then my main entree. So I got apples. And then, I got some steak and some mashed potatoes. So let's see how this is. Again, I have never had Steakhouse 71 for lunch. I've only ever had it for breakfast. So let's see how this is. Those are really good mashed potatoes. I will say this is plastic, so I'm very interested to see. Oh wow, that cuts really, really easily. I was not expecting it to be able to cut through the steak that easily. And then I did ask for it medium, which that looks just about perfect for me. Really good seasoning, really good crisp on the edge, very tender, very juicy. It's very, very good. But I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this, and I will get back to you in a minute. All right, I just finished up my meal and it was so good. I will definitely do this again, and I highly recommend you doing this on your Magic Kingdom day, especially if you need just a little bit more quiet time and or just want a nicer meal and, you know, just to relax for a little bit. This is definitely something I recommend. It was super easy to do and it gave me a little break. So I got the kids meal, which came with a drink, 2 sides, and the main dish. So mine had steak, mashed potatoes, and apples. And that altogether cost me $16. So I got a kids meal, and if I was to eat at Steakhouse 71 as an adult at at a table service restaurant, it would cost me a lot more than that. And the kids meal honestly was the perfect portion size for me. I still actually had a little bit left over, but I could not eat anymore. I am stuffed. It was so good, and everything was so flavorful, and everything was hot. So you are waiting that time because they are making it fresh for you. But I would say I highly recommend this on your Magic Kingdom day. But I'm Cheyenne from Mom and Me and Disney, and if you want to see us test out any other table service restaurants around property that have mobile order, let me know down in the comments. But I'll see you next time, friends. Bye!